Ανής, σε πήρα, αλλά ωστόσο μίλησα και με την Ιωάννα.
Today we are in an olive grove in a city called Rethymno,
and we are visiting with Aspassia, an expert into gastronomy of Crete.
so we will be doing an olive oil tasting and we look forward to sharing that experience. Right now we're enjoying learning about the old trees in the olive grove, some of them as old as
2,000 years.
yeah, so it's quite impressive, the olive trees themselves.
For example, we see that he tried to cut some of them like this, in order to not destroy.
We look forward to the tasting.
If you taste in official way the olive oil, you have to use this kind of glasses. Measure the aroma and the intense
Yeah.
always in the same size when you approach the oil. It's important when you make a tasting. We don't want to be influenced from the color because every variety has different colors. So imagine that if we taste varieties all over the world, we want to be concentrated to the taste and not to the color.
Okay.
It's much more it's much more interesting and complicated the tasting of olive oil than wine, for example, because for the wine the color and the transparent, the body, etc. is very important. Here it's like mathematics. You have to be concentrated to the to the taste, to the smell. Temperature we have now.
Okay.
The first impression is coming from our doors noise. So we can open and have a normal smell. Do not have an effort.
Okay.
Do not make an effort. Just to have a feeling like.
I'm warming up the olive oil. The first smell smells green.
We can feel here the sweet in the beginning, but as we go,
Yes, it is between the back.
yes, in the back.
Yeah.
So maybe we have to wait some seconds in order
To feel.
the whole history of this, the whole story of this.
But it's very smooth. You're right.
Yeah, it's very smooth.
It's very smooth. It's also very thick. Yeah. It's good.
It's nice tasting outside.
Yes. Yes, it's beautiful. The sun has come up for us.
Near the olive trees.
This is a great spot that you have here. Yeah.
Yeah. Very fresh, very green. I think
Yeah.
this one greener than the first one. Wow. Yes, I can feel it here. It's a bit bitter, pungent, whew. But it's very smooth as well. It's green. Yes.
We're having a dacos with feta cheese. And the idea will be to try the two different kinds of olive oil and taste the difference on the food. Dacos is a traditional Cretan food on rusk and tomatoes and cheese, and in this case it's feta. So I'm trying this piece with the Sunati variety. Beautiful golden color. It's very smooth, but I think I'm missing the pungency of the Coneco. But it's very smooth.
Diet, they use a lot beans, lentil, etc. Also like salad.
This is stunning. So the tasting continues with Cretan salad with black-eyed peas, tomatoes, parsley, parsley and onions. And it's very wonderful tasting the olive oil with a different combination. Earlier we had broccoli with a little lemon, so that was a nice combination as well. And it's delicious. It's beautiful, out, fire, tasty. There's nothing else you need in life.
We are very happy, and we are still here. With a polyphenol party.
Yes.
Wait for me.
Wait.
Grabe, video. Sinigamas.
Yeah. Cheers. Yes, I forgot.
Cheers.
We just finished our olive oil tasting
And pairing with some interesting salads and ingredients.
what a wonderful experience.
And we finished around the fire here on the olive grove. It's past 6 o'clock and we just watched the sunset.
Yeah, so a beautiful place for an olive oil tasting experience.
And if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at authenticfoodquest, and you will get more local foods from around the world.
So subscribe below.